Hello. Yes, I'm audible.
Yes, yes,
Yes, your interview date is 24.
yes, sir. 24.
Yes. Let me start basic introduce yourself.
Yes, sir. My name is Professor Sachin Mahangal. I'm from Yavatmal, Maharashtra, from which I had done my all education. I had done my bachelor's in food technology from Dr. Punjab Pradesh University in 2024. And currently, I'm working as a quality executive in a daily packaged drinking water company of fertilizers. And my interest includes swimming and fitness.
Yes, good. The next move on technical part. Yes. First is the B.Tech. You have done B.Tech. Is what the basic application of your B.Tech project? Describe.
So in B.Tech projects, I have developed a bacon eggs, which is a vegan substitute or a vegetarian substitute for normal market eggs, which is from here. So we will develop a nutritionally high high nutritional benefits products from a soybean. We extract milk from soybean and followed by adding citric acid in it, which converts into a tofu. Then we will shape it in the form of egg. So it is a healthy product, contain proteins and carbohydrates as same as market is, but contain a dietary fiber, which is a great uh, health benefit for human consumption.
Yes, what the beneficial point of your B.Tech project in our society? Any innovative point? Is how many varieties available in our market from your B.Tech project? Describe.
We have made two basic products which is available in the market, like Bhakarwadi and Nachos, which is already available in the market. But we will add a health benefit into it. Like in Nachos, we use wheatgrass juice, which have antioxidant properties, anti-inflammatory properties, and rich in vitamin A, C, K, and vitamin B complex. So which will definitely adds value to the nachos. Then we prepared multi-millet added bhakarwadi, for which we use a single millet sorghum and pearl millet. About 20% of millet we use, which will definitely contribute to the nutritional value of that bhakarwadi.
Is there any major challenges facing by your B.Tech project?
Yes, the major challenges, I think the cost of the production that we are facing, like in production of Vega eggs, the cost of one eggs is about rupees 50. So it will be costlier for the bulk production and has the effect on the acceptability of the product.
Yes. Your next move on UPSC. Yes. Why will you become a assistant director in UPSC? Why you want to join? Describe any innovative point from this. You.
Sir, as an assistant director, I think I will get a lot of opportunity and exposure to communicate or engage with various entrepreneurs and understanding their problems, their concerns, and helping them to improve their various facilities and financial constraints to help them for the growth and development of financial sector. I think I have the skills and values which will align with the missions of MSME department, and I can I have confidence on this that I can make a valuable change in the MSME sector.
Yes. What do you do if you get selected in this post? Any innovative answer?
Sir, if I selected as assistant director, my first priority is to engage with various entrepreneurs, various enterprises, and also organizations to understand the culture ecosystem of the MSMEs. Then analyzing various problems, various issues, and providing the best possible support to MSME in order to their growth and development. And also, my priority is to establish or improving the various facilities like food testing laboratories, then incubation center, then various infrastructure constraints, and also improving the co-friendly and sustainability.
Yes. What the basic history of UPSC? Presently, who chairman in UPSC? What the role of chairman in UPSC? Describe.
So UPSC is an autonomous body which is been controlled by the President of India and has to be reported to the Parliament. The current chairman of UPSC is Dr. Priti Sudhana. The main role of the UPSC chairman is to conduct various examinations and recruitment the central level officers and also conduct interviews and personal details and use transparency and accountability to the all processes.
Yes. Good. Next, move on
Yes,
to MSME section. Is what the main purpose of MSME in our Indian system?
so MSME plays a crucial role in Indian economy. As numbers, MSME contribute to about 30% in GDP, then 45% of total India's exports, and it gives employment to over 40% of India's total workforce. So it is very important for to analyze the problems and uh, solve that problem in order to proper growth and development of Indian economy. So for overcoming all these issues faced by MSMEs, there are a lot of schemes which are governed by the our government and initiatives for the growth and development of MSME sector.
Yes. How? What the contribution of your state? Maharashtra. How much contribution Maharashtra in MSME? What the percentage of Maharashtra in MSME?
Maharashtra plays an important role in MSME sector as well. As numbers, Maharashtra contributes 13% of total MSME output, and it contributes to the 25% to overall manufacturing output, total manufacturing output. Various sectors like food industry and textile industry and IT sectors have been majorly contributed in the MSME sector of Maharashtra.
Yes. What the contribution of Maharashtra in GDP in the MSME?
Uh, sir, I'm currently unaware about the numbers in GDP.
GDP Maharashtra is 15%. Overall whole contribution of MSME in GDP total is 30%.
Okay, sir.
Yes, how many schemes are running in your state? MSME describe one by one. Achievement,
So there are
running
various
status, and
schemes.
future status.
Okay, various schemes are running in Maharashtra in MSME sector, like PM EGP scheme, which is central level scheme, which is also running, which gives up to 50 lakhs for the manufacturing sectors and up to 20 lakhs for service sectors, and subsidies from starting from 15% to 35%, and helps into uh, so gives financial assistance in terms of technology upgradation or establishing good infrastructure facilities and storage facilities, etc. Then various credit guarantee capital subsidy schemes, then credit guarantee trust capital subsidy schemes for technology upgradation, and various program for technology upgradation has been also released, like various workshops and training program. Also, entrepreneurship and skill development program is running in Maharashtra state.
Yeah, next move on national level. Yes, how many schemes are running in AJM national level? AJMSL.
So a lot of schemes has been running in our city. In addition to the PMAGP or credit guarantee scheme, like PM Vishwakarma scheme or Spurti scheme, then Aspire, the Mudra loan has been a majorly contribute to the growth and development of MSME sector. Starting with the PM Vishwakarma scheme, it aims to focus on craftsmen and artisans to reach the marketplace and increase their product qualities and market capacity. Then in Spurti scheme, which is scheme for fund of regeneration of traditional industries, to support the traditional industries in terms of technology upgradation, then improving their infrastructure, then their capacity building, and helps in to educate them for exports and domestic market related activities. Then as far which is a scheme for promoting the rural industrialization and employment, which aims to create employment in a mainly rural region and increase rural industrialization.
Yes. Yes, national level so many schemes. PM Vishwakarma scheme, PM EGP schemes, Spurti scheme, Udyam registration portal, industry schemes, credit guarantee schemes, technology upgradation schemes. There's so many schemes. And what are the major challenges facing in MSME in your state and nationally? Both.
So there are several challenges which restrict the growth and development of MSMEs in overall India. The main issues like inavailability of financial assistance or financial credit availability, then some infrastructure constraints, then improper storage facility or storage condition, then use of traditional technology which restrict their growth and development, then delayed payment issue is an important issue. Then we have issues like competing with larger enterprises, then lack of skilled workforce, which restricts the proper handling and maintaining hygienic and safety conditions for the environment.
Yes. Yes, any drawback limitation of in MSME?
So I don't think there is any drawback or limitation in of MSMEs, but there is a room for improvements of these sectors by reaching to the enterprises or communicating with various entrepreneurs and connecting them with various schemes and initiatives by the government.
Yes, now you have lot of knowledge in your MSME sector. Suppose if you will be selected in UPSC as a assistant director, how will you contribute your knowledge? How will you contribute your MSME knowledge in your department ideas? So, what are the innovative idea from your side? Any initiative point describe, then they will be accepted.
So, as a strong foundation in food technology, I possess knowledge regarding food processing, food safety, and quality controls. So, I will definitely use my educational knowledge to improve the various processes and product quality in the food industries. Then, with the help of various schemes available by the government of India, like credit guarantee schemes or a scheme for technical assistance, then a technology upgradation, I will uh, advertise or reach these schemes to various enterprises and make them benefit of various these schemes and help them to improve their technology, their infrastructure, and train them by conducting various training program, workshops, then entrepreneurship and skill development programs. Uh, I will help them to achieve their goals and encourage the growth and development of financial sector.
Yes, good. Then next move on some current affairs, technical current affair. Is what the main basic application of AI? AI, DeepSeek video, DeepSeek, ChatGPT, deepfake video. Describe them by one.
So, use of AI has changed the food industry's perspective. Uh, Various AI-based technology has been now using in food technologies or in food processing industries. Starting from the farmers, various AI-driven estimations of farmers has been done to increase their crop yields and decrease the wastage of products. Then in food industry, AI-driven cameras has been used uh, for the grading or sorting purpose to increase the accuracy and decrease the error and wastage of the product. Also, various insights, actual or live insights of various food processing parameters can be assessed and easily reduce the errors in the food processing with the help of AI. Then the deep seek with using this deep seek will make various changes and analyze various problems or issues in the food system. It gives us accurate answers and a response to various questions. So in this way, AI changed the food industry and the increase their growth, development, and overall productivity of the industry.
Yes. Next is G7 organization. The basic application of G7 organization.
So I'm unaware about this. I will read about.
G20 organization.
So G20 organization is a group of 20 members. Uh, every year, the meeting has been conducted to discuss various issues like financial stability, then economic conditions, and environmental or climatic changes in the in the world. In 2023, in India, the G20 meeting has been arranged in Delhi, and in last year it has been arranged in Rio de Janeiro.
Yes, next is BRICS organization. So basic application of BRICS.
Sorry, sir, I'm unable to recall about it.
Yes. Next, move on your technical part. Food technology, food chemistry, food biochemistry, food product technology, food engineering is described one by one.
So food technology is an important aspect in current day-to-day life. Uh, Technology has been divided into many parts, starting from the food chemistry, food microbiology, then food engineering, then food product technology. In food chemistry parts, we'll discuss about the all the nutrients like carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamins, and minerals, and their uses in the food industry. Then in food microbiology, we'll discuss about the various microorganisms and their role in food products like use of yeast, bacteria, and other molds, etc., in food industry, as well as their effects in various rancidity or decay in the food process, food products. Then various microorganisms which is responsible for the fermentation process also has been studied in this. Also, food safety and hygiene part also studied in food microbiology section. Then in food engineering section, various engineering techniques, then theory has been used to increase the efficiency of the food processing. Then in food product technology, there is various processing of food products has been discussed. The various branch of food product technology is the milk industry or the dairy industry, then bakery industry, then meat and poultry processing industries, then oilseeds processing industry. These are the branch of the food product technology.
Yes. First, move on food engineering. Is what the basic application of food engineering? What the role of food engineering?
So in food engineering, various applications, techniques of the engineering part has been used in for the food processing industry, uh, like high pressure processing or the mechanical operation like grading and sorting with the help of various sensors, then size reduction operations like pulverization, etc. Then mass transfer or heat transfer processing, like various processes like pasteurization. In the pasteurization process, plate heat exchanger has been used in many dairy industry. Then various ovens or fermentation chamber has been developed in the food engineering section.
Yes, food engineering is first basic is heat transfer, mass transfer, mechanical operation, heat mass transfer operation. Describe.
So food engineering, heat and mass transfer is an important part. In heat and mass transfer, various heat transfer equipment has been developed to transfer the heat from the food to the outside surface or from outside surface to the food. So in one of the application of heat transfer is heat process pasteurization, where a plate heat type exchanger has been used, where the food products like milk has been heated to the 72 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds in HPSC process, where heat is given to the product, and after that, immediate cooling takes place. Then in mass transfer, the removal of moisture from the product takes place, which we can see in the drying or dehydration process, where moisture content of food products like from 70% to reduce to the 4% or 5%, which can be seen in milk powder processing or any spices production.
Yes, good. Next is other topic is diffusion, convection, conduction. What the meaning of these terms in food engineering? Describe.
These are the medium of heat transfer or the methods of heat transfer, like conduction, convection, and radiation. In conduction type heat transfer, the transfer of it takes place through direct contact or through a single body. Like in pan, if you are heating milk, then the direct contact between the heat to the pan and then after to the milk is a conduction type of heat transfer. Then in a convection heat transfer, heat is transferred through the media or through the some surface, which by moving the particles from the uh, cooling part to the heating part, and the rotation of this particle takes place, results in the heating of the molecules. Then radiation, in radiation types, uh, the radiation types, heat is transferred through the medium of air, where heat is transferred by the means of air, which is vibrated, and thus the products get heated without direct contact between the heat sources and the food products.
The next move on food product engineering. What the main application of food product engineering?
So in food products engineering or food products technology, we will discuss the processing aspects or the processing steps involved in producing some products. Like in bakery industry, these processing steps involves mixing of dough, then addition of fermentation culture, then followed by fermentation, then leavening has been done, then baking, followed by cooling and packaging. So various food processing aspects have been studied in food process technology. Then in dairy sector, various dairy processing has been done. The primary processing involves the cooling of milk, then standardization, clarification, then homogenization, pasteurization, then final cooling done. So these are the basic steps which is followed in the dairy processing. The study of various these steps has been done in food product technology.
Yes. Next is fruit and vegetable product, jam jelly, tomato sauce, so many. Describe.
So in fruits and vegetable producing, various processing uh, concepts have been developed. Like in case of fruits, low temperature processing also has been done. In case of grapes or oranges, and that is below 0 degrees Celsius, or in some case minus 18 degrees Celsius. to increase its shelf life. Then various byproducts or the value addition in the fruits has been used, like preparation of jam jellies and marmalades, which can be prepared by extracting juice of that food products, then addition of sugar, then citric acid and pectic substances to maintain the consistency. Uh, the difference between the jam and chili is the processing steps as well as their TSS. Jam has a TSS of 68.5%, and chili has a TSS around 65%. Then marmalade is the same as jam, having low TSS, that is 65%, and having a shaded fruit part. Then various vegetables has been preserved or increased their shelf life by drying or dehydration method or processing at very low temperature, like freeze drying process, which will preserve its nutrition, like various vitamin contents or vitamin B contents, which is important. And vegetable is the great source of vitamins, so it is important to preserve its vitamin content.
Yes. Next is milk and milk product.
Producing of milk and milk products is an important part in India. Various milk processing industries has been developed locally as well as in national level also. Uh, the milk has been processed in order to fill its microorganism and increase its shelf life and shelf stability, as well as various byproducts of milk also has been developed, mainly in sweet section or confectionery section. Uh, then milk, the primary steps in milk processing is collection of milk, then testing the milk for organoleptic testing, then adulteration testing also has been done. Then followed by clarification of milk, then homogenization, then pasteurization, like LPLT, HTSC or UHT pasteurization has been done. Then cooling and store in storage tanks. Then various byproducts from milk has been produced, like milk powders or yogurt or curd. Then the buttermilk or the butter, then ghee. Some sweetened product also has been developed, like gulab jamun or rasgulla or other products also has been developed widely.
Yes. Okay, next move on nutrition. Nutrient. What is nutrition? How many types of nutrition describe?
Uh, Nutrition is the process of consuming the food products and convert them into a various energy for various metabolic processes and body functions. Uh, Nutrients are present in a food. That food constitute about 60% of carbohydrates, then 15 to 20% fats or lipids, then 15% proteins. Then micronutrients like vitamins and minerals is present in various fruits, vegetables, uh, legumes, cereals, oilseeds, etc. Um, which plays an important role. Like protein helps in bodybuilding of various metabolic activities. And carbohydrate is a source of energy, which later convert into the glucose. And then lipids is a concentrated form of energy, which regulates the function in our body. The various vitamins play as an enzymatic role or as a coenzyme in performing various metabolic activities.
Yes. Yes. Next is what is vitamin? How many types of vitamin? What the main role of vitamin in human body?
So vitamin is a macronutrient which mainly is made of amino acids, and there are many types. So there are vitamins that is fat soluble and water soluble vitamins. Uh, then in water soluble vitamin, we have vitamin B complex and vitamin C, which is ascorbic acid. Then fat soluble vitamins, vitamin A, D, E, C, which is retinol, then calciferol, then tocopherol, and quinol. Then vitamin B also has been further divided into vitamin B1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and 9 and 12. And then vitamin has a role of plays as a coenzyme and various metabolic activities.
Next is amino acid. What is amino acid? How many types of amino acids? Essential, non-essential.
Uh, Amino acids, the protein is the major source of amino acids. Amino acids helps in various bodybuilding, then muscle recovery and growth of muscle. Um, Amino acids can be of two types, essential and non-essential. Essential one that we required from the outside, and non-essential has been produced in the body itself. Uh, Essential amino acids is of 10 types, which is tryptophan, then threonine, then histidine, valine, isoleucine, then phenylalanine, then methionine, arginine, leucine, and lysine. These are the essential amino acids which are required for the proper functioning of the body.
Next, fatty acid. What is fatty acid? How many types of fatty acid?
Fatty acids is a concentrated form of energy. We require 10 to 15% of fatty acids in our daily diet. There are two types of essential fatty acids, that is linoleic acid and linolenic acid, also called as omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids, which is required for the proper body functioning.
The next is the management of standard in food technology, like FSSI, ISI, NAC mark, APEDA, MAPEDA. Describe one by one. Last one.
So there are various regulatory authority has been developed in order to regulate the various standards, rules, and regulations in various food industries. FSSAI is a India level organization, institution, which has their own developed Indian standards in order to